Hey guys, today we're going to be making some food out of Model Magic. Model Magic is a modeling clay that air dries and it's really light. It's almost kind of like foamy feeling, um, and it's really easy to form it into the shapes and things that we want it to be. So today we're going to be creating some food out of Model Magic. Make sure we're looking and listening so that you know what you can and cannot do with this material. So you might get colorful Model Magic in these little bags, or I might hand you some white Model Magic. Either way, if you don't like the color of it, we can come back once these dry and we can paint them. So don't worry too much about the color because we will get a chance to paint them later if we want. This one has been painted and this one has been painted. So most of mine I have painted to make them look how I want them to look. This is an example of an unpainted one, right? And this is an example of, it's going to be a cupcake, but I'm drying them separate so that I can make this like a little container. So those are examples of uncolored one, unfinished ones, and these are examples of painted ones. So you're going to use your Model Magic. Everyone is only going to get a certain amount. So if you realize that you're making something maybe a little too big, you might want to go back and make it smaller. But you're going to take your Model Magic and you're going to create whatever kind of food sculpture you would like. I might have pretend food on the table for you to look at. Please make sure that we are not marking on this. We're not putting any of our materials on it or like poking at it. We're leaving this on the table. This is just for us to look at, to see what the fruit should look like and help us figure out how to shape our Model Magic. If you guys aren't using this the right way, then I will take it away. So you're going to use the Model Magic at your table to create whatever food sculpture you would like to. After you've created your food sculpture, I'm going to have a spot in the room where I will have sticky notes. You're going to put your name on a sticky note. This is very important. If you don't do this,